Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free $300 from Chase Bank if you are a new customer of Chase and if you sign up for a new checking account. Very easy, very simple. First thing I want to do, I want you to click on the link that is pinned to the comment section below. It is my affiliate link. If you can see over here, this is the landing page over here. You can get $300 if you're a new Chase checking customer. Okay, when you open a new Chase Total checking account and set up a direct deposit within 90 days of the coupon enrollment, you will be getting the $300 deposit. Very important. In terms of you waiving the monthly fees, which could be $12 to $0, you should maintain a balance of at least $1,500 every single day. This is, I believe, not a big issue considering that you're going to get $300. I do have account. I opened my Chase account last year. I received my own bonus last year. So far, I haven't had any issues. Basically, guys, this is how the process will work in 3 steps. First thing, you have to open an online account using the link in the description, the link that is in the comment section pinned below the video. Then you automatically be inputted through the code. There is a special code. This promotion is not available openly. Then the second step will simply be when you open your account to set up a direct deposit within 90 days of the coupon enrollment. This means that when you sign up, all you gotta do is to set up a direct deposit with your work or with other payment method, okay? Payment processor as well. Third step, of course, will be to receive your money within only 15 days, guys. Like a little more than 2 weeks. I've been getting bonuses from different banks. I'm telling you, I've been waiting for 3 to 6 months to get my money. So this is how simple it is. The best thing is that there is no particular sum for requirement as a direct deposit. It's very good. Some, other banks will require you to get a direct deposits, 3 direct deposits. They want to have at least $250 each or $500 each. So there's much more requirements usually, and this is why I'm telling you this sounds like a much easier and better deal. Again, always do your research and due diligence, but I've been using Chase. I've been using the program. I personally received the bonus, so I can speak from my experience. I haven't had any issues. So if you guys are a new customer of Chase, if you planning to become a new customer of Chase, if you're planning to open your checking account, why wouldn't you get the $300, right? Check the link in the description if you're interested, guys. Subscribe and come back for more.